Good morning, student. I am Raju Ranjan Upadhyay, SST teacher of Sunbeam Convent School, Buxar. A student, today I am going to teach you class ninth Economics Lesson 1, the story of village Palampur. This is the last part of your first lesson of village Palampur. And this part is transport. This part is known as the transport. It means that in this video we will discuss about the transport activity of the village Palampur, which is a fast developing sector into the village Palampur. There are variety of vehicles on the road connecting Palampur to the Raiganj, like rickshawalas, tangawalas, jeep, tractor, truck drivers, and people driving the traditional blue cart and buggies are people in the transport services. This is the means of the transportation, and many peoples are engaged into the transportation activity. They ferry people and goods from one place to the another, and in return get paid for it. The number of people involved in transport has grown over the last several years. Transport activity is the very essential activity for any place for the purchasing goods from the wholesalers, and after that sold into the village, and some traders are also available into the village which purchased the different agricultural product from the villagers and sell into the towns. In both condition, the means of transportation is essential factor. Without the means of transportation like truck, tanga, blue carts, pickups, and the small transportation means are very essential for this activity. A student, here I am going to tell you a story of village Palampur. Kishore is a farm laborer. Like other such laborers, Kishore found it difficult to meet his family needs from the wage that he received. After that, a few years back, Kishore took a loan from the bank. This was under a government program which was giving cheap loan to poor landless households of the village. Kishore brought a buffalo. With this money, he now sells the buffalo's milk into the village and the market also. After that, the further activity, he has attached a wooden cart to his buffalo and uses it to transport various items. It means that buffalo is useful for the Kishore in two ways. Number one, buffalo gives the milk for the Kishore, and after that, by the rest of the days, Kishore used this buffalo into the block carts and carried the different goods from the village to town and town to village. Thus, buffalo is very beneficial for the Kishore. Once a week, he goes to the river Ganga to bring back black clay for the potter. Or sometimes he goes to the Sapur with a load of jaggery or other commodities. Every month he gets some work in transport. As a result, Kishore is able to earn more than what he used to do some years back. A student, we have described the different phases, the different part of the lesson village Palampur. You will read very careful this lesson into the home, because of economics is a very important subject for you, and this is just starting from the class ninth. In the previous classes you have no idea about the economics. That's why I am requesting to you that you will read it very carefully, and if you have any query, if you have any question in your mind after the reading of this lesson, you can ask to me the question on the YouTube. A student, one thing which is important for you, after studying this lesson you will also write question and answer, because of this lesson of geography. This is the start, the minimum point. This is the basic, this touches the basic points of the economics, like factors of production, market activity, farming activity, non-farming activity. These all activities are essential part, the basic part of the economics. Thus your story is try to understand you that what is the economics by the different stories. Stay home and be safe. Thank you.